Do you want to continue collecting all your OEE data? Then make sure you receive your yearly license key for the OEE software in time. Hi, I'm Rose from FullFact, and in this video I'll talk about renewing the license key for the OEE Toolkit. Without a license key, you can't use the OEE Toolkit. And the license key is renewed every year, and the key will be delivered after paying the maintenance invoice. The maintenance and support fee is part of the license, and the fee includes access to technical support from the support center and all software updates. After paying the yearly fee, you will automatically receive the new key, but there is something preceding it. We start by sending you a Proforma invoice. We send this well in advance before the start of the new contract year. The Proforma invoice shows the fee for the new year. And based on this Proforma invoice, we ask you for a purchase number. An approval email without a PO is also fine. And don't forget to inform us if there is a new or changed contact person. You will then receive the official invoice. As soon as we receive the payment, we send you the license key for the new contract year. Summarized: Proforma invoice, deliver a PO as soon as possible. Invoice, pay the invoice in time. License key, sent to the contacts on record. If you have paid and you didn't receive a license key, then please contact us as soon as possible by email or phone, and we'll help you out. And want to know how to activate the license key? We have a video instruction available too. We hope you find this tip useful. Please contact us if you have more questions. Bye bye!